With Vianey Arana, she's got a big story impacting all of us. This wind that's going to be here tonight and tomorrow night, right?
Yeah, we've got that wind advisory in effect through 8 p.m. tomorrow. And I want to talk about the concerns going into this, because you might be thinking, but it's pretty cool and comfortable. Why are we under a microclimate weather alert if it's not in the triple digits? Well, the thing is that there's so much dry brush out there, and anything could really spark very quickly and spread rapidly. But right now in San Francisco, it's about 59 degrees. Notice the cloud cover. Yes, we're going to keep that through. We've got an onshore flow that's managed to keep us through, under the seasonable temperatures at times around the coast. We've got the northwest winds right now. Notice it's about 14-20 miles per hour. Those are sustained winds, but there's a potential for strong gusty conditions. So let's get to your current temperatures right now. It is extremely helpful that these temperatures are much cooler compared to triple digits, because of course we look at three things when we look at elevated fire danger. We look at winds, humidity, and of course temperatures. That's always the unfortunate perfect recipe of increased fire danger. But the 24-hour temperature change does showcase Nevada about 7 degrees cooler, Livermore running about 6 degrees cooler. So let's talk about that wind advisory, because this will remain in place for the North Bay coast, the San Francisco coast, and also those East Bay valleys. So any of the areas that you see highlighted in orange, we're going to continue to see those gusty potentials, especially for the immediate coastline, but also in through the valleys. And this is really where, we've got to pay attention with all of that dry brush out there. There is an increased fire danger, along with the possibility for downed trees and power lines. Great opportunity if you think you're not going to be out later this evening, or you think you're going to be out later this evening, or you're going to go to bed early. Go ahead and tie down any potential patio furniture, anything that can fly away. Tie it down, secure it, bring it in the house. If your pet normally sleeps outside, I would say bring him inside. There's just going to be, a good chance for gusty conditions into the overnight hours as well. So let's take a look at this. Right around 11 o'clock, the good news is that the winds actually start to diminish just a bit overnight. And that's going to help, at least into the early morning hours, because we see an increase in humidity overnight as well. But by tomorrow afternoon, look at this, 2:30. Look what happens in San Francisco. 45+ mile per hour gusts, potentially, maybe even stronger than that. Livermore 39, in through the Santa Rosa area 30+ mile per hour winds. And here's the reason why there's going to continue to be a concern for the fire danger, because the latest drought monitor revealed we're remaining in the D4 category because, well, we haven't seen any rain, which is the exceptional category, and we have not seen, the chance for rain at all. So that fire danger index tends to increase, especially for the interior valleys. When we see those humidity levels fall below the 30% mark, that's when things have the potential to get really bad. So microclimate high forecast for tomorrow is going to be comfortable and cool. We've got a low pressure system just to our east that's going to continue to keep us cool, but also it's going to continue to bring those windy conditions in through San Francisco. Temperatures will remain in the low 60s for San Francisco really for the next several days, and then we're going to cool off even more for inland areas into the low 70s. So everybody, please be careful. Terry?
All right, Vianey, thanks a lot.